Good morning.
My language. Morning.
Morning.
Can I add another log?
Yeah, you can add another log.
Do we have enough firewood?
We can go get some more firewood today. Your scrambled eggs, the cinnamon rolls just needed to finish on the bottom.
Yeah.
And this chicken breakfast sausage. Yeah.
It's exciting. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm so excited that you came back to watch part 2 of our girls trip to Kentucky. As you figured out, we've just woken up and this is day 2 at our campsite. Just showing you our neighbors. Because of COVID-19, we couldn't camp side by side with our neighbors. We had different spots zoned off or whatever it is, so that we're not side by side. That's what I'm just showing you right now. But today is the day we had planned to go to the caves. So we're actually at the Mammoth Caves campsite. So enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Yeah, it's time to eat. It is time to eat.
Now you like it.
What does she like now?
The grill now. Don't you?
I think it's ridiculous,
But
but
like
I'm
it
going
now.
to use it.
Get out of here.
I think it's ridiculous, but I'm going to use it. There's scrambled eggs,
Okay.
cinnamon rolls.
Where they in here? Oh, perfect.
You know wash your hands.
Yes. This is a nice water hydrant.
Chiboran.
No, really, chiboran. You see that? Ah, chiboran, guys. A cute little one. Nicely powered one.
Okay, that's fine.
Here too?
Yeah. Okay.
So we're cooking
lamb?
first?
Yeah, and then we're gonna
Searing
go.
it first, and then we're going to put it in the pot to braise it.
Okay. Wow.
Ooh, I can hear that.
I can hear that.
I
too.
could hear it. Oh my God.
Just want to say, don't do natural hairstyles when you're going camping. Because
How do you know?
you'll play yourself.
Don't play yourself.
You don't want to play yourself like I did. But anyway.
You just have to.
What? You married?
I marinated them with
Yeah.
a fresh herb sauce that Shante told me to do.
Yeah.
It had fresh mint,
Mhm.
fresh basil.
Mhm.
No
No basil.
basil. It had rosemary.
Rosemary,
Sage.
mint, not sage.
You told me
Oregano.
sage.
I did not tell you sage.
You-
I said oregano and
Well, it has sage.
thyme.
It has sage.
Okay, whatever.
Is it a good thing or bad thing?
It'll be fine.
Yeah, the way she doesn't sound
It'll
so
be
bad.
fine.
Right, it'll be fine.
While you're enjoying this vlog, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also like the video, share with your friends, and drop a comment in the sections below so we know how you guys enjoyed this and any other ideas that you've or experiences that you want to share when you went camping. So this was breakfast and we had planned to go to the caves. After the caves, we're going to come back and enjoy this dinner, but keep watching because you want to know what happened.
What did you make for us?
I provided the moral support for people like Shante, who is a chef, to make this lovely pot of lamb.
Okay.
What is the actual name of the
It's braised lamb
Braised
shanks.
lamb shanks.
braised lamb shank? The flavor?
Lamb.
It's a French.
Huh?
It's done in a French style.
Okay, so I provided the moral support. Absolutely nothing to do with where we're going, but on our way, we just saw this display of stones, crystals, whatever you call them. Beautiful. They're like just there. I guess for you to see and choose, and then you can go inside and make a purchase. It's just like, wow.
What are you doing, Zinzi?
I'm about to go on a horse.
You're not going on a horse.
Okay.
You're about to say hi. What's his name? Oh! What's his name?
Chester.
Hi, Chester.
Hey,
Oh, yeah, it's a boy.
is it fully grown?
Hi, Chester.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. We don't have any apples for you or anything.
Oh,
Hey.
Unfortunately, all our tours are sold out for today, so we can't get anybody else to the cave. Are you going to be here tomorrow?
Yes.
So tomorrow at 9 o'clock, all our walk-up tickets go on sale. There's only 165 tickets, 15 tickets every 30 minutes. So 9:45 to 2:45, all those tickets go on sale at 9 o'clock when we open. So
Unfortunately, guys, we missed our cave tour that morning because we took so much time fixing our dinner and making unnecessary stops along the way, as you saw. So we had to change things around. We went hiking instead on this day, and then we planned to tour the caves the very next day. But what was exciting was looking forward to lamb dinner that evening. So yeah. So our chef needed some bread, and we added cold meats and some cheese. I'm gonna have it with black cherry. You have Coke,
can I have my Coke?
and we're gonna have our little lunch.
These nice shells that those little carts will come get you anyway. Gateway to the world's elbow.
World below.
Oh, well. Oh, you recorded me when I said it.
Well, it's, you know what? It's the same
No.
letters.
It's the same letters. I am dyslexia, guys. Don't be laughing. Because I realized elbow. I heard.
Where's the
Y'all laughing at my dyslexia.
Now where's the elbow?
Dyslexic moment.
Where's the elbow?
Right there. You see how it is? There's a corner right there. Anyway, people have lived.
Darling chef, are you alright?
I am fantastic.
Oh man, are you full?
I am.
It
Good.
was 10,000 years ago, and evidence shows that they first entered Mammoth Cave through the collapsed entrance below some 4,000 years ago to collect minerals.
Walking.
You are on video.
No, you.
Oh, my bad. No, I was saying the redwoods in California. You'll be looking up and it looks like you're looking like at a 20-story building.
Yeah, 'cause
Really?
They can be as big as a mile around.
They're huge.
Did you hear that?
Yes, you want to go to California?
I would love to go see the
I'm
redwoods.
sorry. How is that a question?
We should go on a road trip. We should get a Winnebago.
They actually like cut the middle out of a redwood and like grew.
And you can drive through like a baobab. Yeah. But then you know how baobabs are just wide?
Yeah.
They're not that tall. Then redwoods go up
They're
stories.
wide and they're tall.
Tall.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are on the loop. Oh, it's a loop.
Okay.
Sink
Hold
and
on.
return.
It says we're here on the star.
So the green is the one that we
Because
need.
the sink is right here.
Oh wait, no. That's a 2-hour.
We want to do this and the sink and return.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
That's 45 minutes. That's
That's
appropriate.
that's fine. So blue.
Mammoth, yeah,
The
blue.
blue is the color that we need to look for.
Where do
So
we
we're
look for the
going
blue?
left.
Where do we find the blue?
We're going
Old
left.
Guide Cemetery is straight ahead.
Yeah.
Old what?
Because we're at a split, right?
Yeah.
And we need to make a left.
Okay, well come on.
You're saying we need to look for blue. How do
But
we?
there's 3.
Oh, shit. These 3, how is there 3? Oh, yeah. We need to go to the left one because you see there's
To the
3.
far
1,
left.
2, 3. We need to go to the far left.
Okay.
And then make a left.
Okay.
So you see this? We need to make a left and then make a right. No, we need to make a left right now and then make a left up there.
Okay, as long as you get it.
I get it.
Oh, but to think about it, from where we're coming from up there.
We came from from way up there, girl. Let's start huffing and puffing now. Let's just save ourselves some time. Go ahead and start huffing.
Oh, I think this is the hole, actually.
Yeah.
Right here.
That part is the hole,
Right?
I see the hole.
Yeah.
There's a hole.
Here in the chestnut. Oh, that one. You see it? There by the rocks.
Yes. Over there, there's a hole.
That one. Yes. Yes.
Why are y'all
What cave is
scared?
that? Lake cave. White cave? Oh. Oh. Over here?
Yeah.
White cave. Yeah. Obviously we can fit into it.
No, I can't go in it because we don't have permission to be in it.
We don't have what?
We don't have permission to be in it.
Oh, they actually built a door and everything.
No.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Did you see? Put your light in there.
Put your light. Okay, we're going back to campground. Huh? Talk from Lisa. Okay. It's just very, very woody. So after a good 6 or so hours of hiking, we went back home. And it was with great sadness that I have to tell you guys that we went back to a charred pot. Our lamb shanks were burned. There was nothing to salvage. We literally slept on s'mores, as you can see. I'm joking, we obviously nibbled on something, but like, our hearts were broken. But yeah, this are the joys of going camping. Otherwise, yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video and be sure to have subscribed so you can watch part 2. Oh no, this is part 2. To watch part 3, which is the last day when we went to the caves and where we saw Kentucky, the rest of Kentucky for the final day before we went back home. Thank you so much and I will see you on the next one. Yummy, yummy, in my tummy, tummy. Why? What happened? What happened, guys? What?
The light went off because we're sitting here.
So what's wrong with having the light off? What's wrong with having the light off? You guys,
Thank you.
it smells.
Yeah. No shit, Sherlock. No shit.
Parts. The player who most recently pooped. Begins as the card star and draws a black card. If Hugh Jackman is playing, he goes first regardless of how recently he pooped. The card star
Does it really
reads
say
the
poop?
Let's see.
It really says poop.
Wait. Ah, it really does.
Wait.
It says the player who recently pooped begins as a card star and draws a black card. If Hugh Jackman is playing, he goes first regardless of how recently he pooped.